All right, you guys, what it do? Your boy is back on the grind one more time. Just getting off work, man. Because of the holidays, I get a little bit shorter days, man. And so it's nice to have a shorter day off work to kind of just go home, relax, and do nothing. I was going to do some errands, run around today, but actually I decided just to not do a damn thing today. Work was great. We made some money, so that's always good. And I actually was able to sell some fitness equipment to a buddy of mine. So making money there, and with a short day, now I'm home just chilling. And I thought, maybe I'll just make a video for you guys in regards to what the black chrome is going to look like on my grill here. As you guys can see here, I got my grill, and there's some chrome trim pieces that go all along this grill. This is actually a 72 grill. My car is a 71, but I'm going to use a 72 grill and headlight bezel. So you guys will actually see what that looks like. But I wanted to put the chrome trim on here for one, to see what it looks like, but two, just to have you guys see what it looks like against the black and the satin black that I'm using right here. So got my Chevelle emblem. Look at that. And then I have one chrome trim on already, and then I have this one just sitting here. So what I'm gonna do is actually set up this camera and then probably just time lapse me putting it on, because this right here to put on was a bitch. I mean, it was a pain in the butt, you guys. I don't know why. If you guys can kind of see how straight these lines are, this doesn't come straight like this. For some reason, the edges here kind of bow out a little bit, and I'm not exactly sure why they do that, and it made it really challenging to kind of put on, and they don't really snap in very well. So I'm just gonna kind of do what I can to kind of get this thing on, but I wanted to at least kind of just show you guys the scheme and the look that I'm going for on this car. So let me go ahead, put you on this stand here. Again, I'll probably try to time lapse this thing to see me put it on, and then I also will put on the Chevelle emblem so you guys kind of see what the final product will look like on this grill. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm actually restoring a 71 Chevelle, and I'm pretty much taking you guys along step by step of what I'm doing on the Chevelle. So definitely think about subscribing, hit that notification bell, y'all, all that good stuff, and let's get after it. All right, you guys, that's actually was not as hard as I thought it would be. This bottom part right here is the one that I put on, and it actually went on a lot easier than the first one did. I might have to make a little adjustment right here. Let me go back to see if this one kind of sticks out a little bit. And no, actually it's just right. So I think I'm gonna just leave it kind of as is. And I got the camera set up right now to kind of put on the emblem so you guys can kind of see that. But yeah, I'll show you the final product here. But this is my Chevelle emblem right here. Look how good that looks, y'all. Look how good that looks. Yeah, so you can see already kind of how it looks against that satin black. Now this is what's called a 20% satin black. And I'm glad that they suggested this to me, because I told them I didn't want to go fully satin, like a flat black, but I also didn't want to go super bright. So they have different shades of satin that they use, 10%, 20%, and so on. So this is actually a 20%. It gives it a little bit of a shinier sheen or shinier version of a satin, but just not as shiny. But I'm gonna go ahead and stick these in. I have these little speed nuts here that these actually are the original speed nuts and the original emblem that came off it. So you can see there's still a little bit of coating there on it, but that's probably good because the speed nut will have a little bit something extra to stick to. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this in here. Ooh. Man. Oh. See, I'm already trying to destroy my own grill here. So let me go ahead and find a wrench for this real quick. All right, y'all, so I just had to find a little socket and something that'll fit there. So let me go ahead and try to spin this on first. Get it to stick. So that way it doesn't fall down when I tip it over. All right, let's see what it do. Try to be super careful with this thing. I'll go ahead and zoom you guys out. Let's see. And I love to use original parts if I can. I just think it's far better. It keeps the kind of the originality, that aura, that stigma of the car, and original parts just fit better. So if I can use original parts wherever I can, then I will. There we go. I don't think that's going anywhere. Might have to loosen it a little bit to kind of straighten it out. There we go. There, let's see if that'll work. Boom. Good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh. Wee. Let me thumbnail this thing. Man, you guys, look at that. Man, oh man, oh man. That's gonna look super, super dope. Wow. Look at that. So you see how that black chrome hits on that satin? Mm-hmm. Give you a close up. Man. Man, 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 man. Definitely happy with this. Alright y'all, so I wanted to get it out in the natural light too. Obviously it's not sunny out, but at least you can kind of see what that looks like against that satin black. Ooh, man, come on y'all, get in the comments right now. Let me know what you guys think of this right here. Wow. Man. Ooh, look at that little sheen right there. You see how that light, that natural light hits against that? That's exactly what I was going for, y'all. Let me know what y'all think of this right here, right now. Wait till that sun hits it. So, what it is, if you guys don't know what at least my version of this black chrome is, so it is powder coated. They do a, I think they call it a triple chrome, and they do it a different way as well, so you can actually have chrome, like black chrome, but it's a little bit spinnier process, and I didn't mind going with powder coating. But they have a couple different versions of this black chrome. I chose this one, actually brand new. It is to the place where I got this powder coated from. So it is over a silver base. They have a little bit of candy in it to kind of give it a little bit more pop, and then in the direct sunlight you will actually be able to see the candy as well. And there is a bit of a hue, like a tint of a brown in it, which actually goes perfect against the champagne. So it has a few different colors in it, so when the sun hits it, it kind of gives it that black chrome, that chrome-ish feel, but it's still in the color of black. So that's what I wanted. This is the look that I was going for. I honestly was kind of taking a gamble, and I really didn't know how it was going to come out, but man, oh man, wait till all this chrome is on the car. And what I'll do too is I have a video and a picture of the black chrome on the car that my buddy had already started, so I'll show that here at the end of the video. But man, check this out, you guys. This is it. This is how it turned out, you guys. And man, that hopefully will give you kind of a little bit of a vision of what this is going to look like, at least against the black. And at the end of the video, I'll show what this looks like against the actual car, because my buddy had actually put a piece of the wheel well trim on the car, and so you can kind of see what it looks like against that champagne. And then you'll see the underneath of my inner fender is orange, man. And so that in itself will tie all the colors in that I'm going with on this scheme on this car, man. And it's just going to be something different. It's going to be something that, you know, that I haven't seen done yet, and it's just my taste, you guys. So I'm really excited about this build, you guys, and I just wanted to kind of show you what this black chrome looks like against this. And man, it is all coming together even better than I had anticipated. And so shoot, you guys get in the comments, let me know what you guys think about this right here. How is this going to look on the car? Do you think that I made the right choice? Do you think, you know, I should have went a different route? Whatever. I mean, everybody has their own opinion, but I definitely think it is something that I haven't seen done yet, and I wasn't going after what I haven't seen really done yet. I was just doing something that I wanted to do and what I thought that would look good, and I think it's turning out pretty good. So if it's your first time tuning into the channel, definitely think about subscribing, hitting that notification bell, man. All that good stuff, y'all. Stick with me. We got it. Till the next video.